Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to factory reset any iPhone. Now remember that factory resetting your iPhone will erase all the data on your iPhone. So just make sure you back up your data to the iCloud or to an external hard drive. Now after you back up your data, after that, just open settings, then tap on general. Now in general, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on erase all content and settings. Then select continue and select erase iPhone. Now just enter your lock screen passcode. Now as you can see, this is how you can factory reset any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.